Working as a virtual assistant is one of the best ways to earn money online. Virtual assistants work for businesses and companies to provide them services such as organizing/writing emails, content marketing, data entry, and other tasks that a company requires. Overall, there is something for everyone, and the benefits are definitely worth it. Whether you are looking for a full-time freelance remote job or a part-time job to earn some side cash, this profession can be a blessing for you. The best part about working as a virtual assistant is that you can apply without having any previous experience. Also, people coming from any educational or professional background can apply. What you need to have are good communication and writing skills. You can earn anywhere from $500 to $3,000 per month working for 6 to 9 hours per day. In this video, we talk about some of the best 8 freelance and other online job platforms that hire remote virtual assistants. Upwork is one of the most popular freelancing platforms that is used by freelancers all over the world. It offers a variety of jobs, including remote virtual assistant jobs. The jobs range from data entry tasks to doing things like checking emails, proofreading services, and more. The jobs usually require you to commit less than 30 hours a week, and you can get paid up to $25 per hour. Upwork offers multiple modes of payment. U.S. residents can opt for direct wire transfer, while freelancers from other countries can opt for Payoneer or PayPal. Hourly payments are available for withdrawal after 10 days. Zirtual is a freelance platform that is available for U.S. residents only. The platform offers virtual assistant jobs to companies and hires workers that are U.S.-based and have a college-level education. Zirtual trains these people to work on their preferred skills and become virtual assistants. Assistants can earn from $13 to $18 per hour with Zirtual. Jobs offered at Zirtual range from calendar and inbox management to content marketing, data entry, and even event management. Working at Zirtual requires employees to have experience in tools like Google and Microsoft Office. It also requires them to be available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Remoteco is a platform that offers a wide range of remote jobs in all types of fields, including IT, accounting, marketing, HR, and even healthcare. There are also a lot of virtual assistant jobs in similar fields and more. Some of these jobs are full-time, while others are part-time. Double is a platform that offers virtual assistant services to businesses and helps them save time. Currently, it offers jobs for residents of the USA, Canada, and France. Double offers services like managing email, scheduling meetings, travel planning, and more. Salaries vary depending on the position. Double requires experienced workers who have some job experience for the job they are applying to. Assistants can earn from $13 to $18 per hour with Double. Fancy Hands is a US-based company that offers virtual assistant jobs. The requirements are that the person should be a US resident, a native English speaker, must have a good internet connection, must be proficient with Google Apps, and should have good communication skills. The pay ranges from $3 to $7 per hour, where each task takes almost 15-20 minutes to complete. Employees are paid via Duola. Workers have the opportunity to work full-time or part-time for a variety of VA jobs. Upshift offers virtual assistant services to businesses and offers freelancers the opportunity to work flexibly. You can find jobs in industries such as hotels, catering, and warehouses. With Upshift, you can choose the jobs you want as well as the time shift you want. You can opt for full-time jobs or part-time jobs and apply to as many jobs as you like. Upshift allows its workers to create their own work schedule. As you take up more and more jobs and as your profile becomes better, you will get more high-paying jobs in your job search. The company also offers benefits such as medical and dental facilities. To apply, you can send in your application to Upshift. Only 12% of applicants are accepted for this program. Wenalo is an online staffing platform that offers full-time and part-time jobs. The company offers jobs based on your interest and expertise. Wenalo 2 gives you the opportunity to work with different industries such as event services, restaurants, manufacturing, and travel. Currently, Wenalo only offers its services in some parts of the USA, and so freelancers should be residents of these states. Earnings vary from job to job and how many hours you work. People earn $8 to $30 per hour. To start, you will have to download the Wenalo app and submit your information on it. After you're done, you can start looking for jobs. The requirements are simple, and you don't need a resume or an interview to apply for the jobs. You only need to be over 18, have access to a smartphone, and must have a social security number or business EIN. Workers receive payment via direct deposit, which can take 3-5 days. Virtualstaffph is a virtual assistant platform that's focused solely on the Philippines. The site has placed close to 3,000 business leaders in touch with workers from all over the country, providing them with personalized and efficient services at affordable prices. The company was founded by Keith A. Cruz and Christian Roldan, who used their experience as co-founders of a successful startup, Interactive Solutions, Inc., to create a platform that would help businesses find professional Filipino freelancers quickly and easily. As such, Virtualstaffph has an extensive knowledge base that clients can reference when they need significant guidance or support for their VA hires. This site doesn't just offer virtual assistants, it also connects them to entrepreneurs seeking to hire web developers and graphic designers. If you're more interested in a freelancer with business development skills or technical know-how, just check out the site's extensive resume directory of candidates who are ready to be hired for your project. Magic helps businesses source, screen, and hire assistants so you don't have to. Since 2015, they've sourced and screened over 10,000 assistants. Magic dedicated assistants are pre-screened and handpicked for your business. There are also no long-term commitments when you use Magic. They bill weekly, every Friday, and there are no contracts or annual commitments. One of the best things about Magic is the turnaround time for placement. They'll find you a dedicated assistant based on your specs within 48 hours. On top of the fast placement, Magic dedicated assistants are also super affordable and start at only $10 per hour. There's no monthly or yearly commitment, and if your assistant isn't a perfect fit, they'll find you an alternative. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is Rachel signing out.